We've all been there. Dinner outings turn into math exams, figuring out who owes what, and scrambling to settle the bill. Thankfully, in the age of digital wallets, things are getting easier. But with all these payment apps popping up, one question remains: is it actually cheaper to use them? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Vipps, a popular mobile payment app in Norway. We'll crack open the fee structure and see if it saves you money when sending or receiving payments. So, whether you're a seasoned Vipps user in Norway or just curious about how these apps work, buckle up. Free money transfers, with a catch. Let's start with the good news. Vipps offers completely free money transfers for most transactions. That's right, sending cash to your friend for that last round of drinks won't cost you a dime, as long as the amount stays under 5,000 Norwegian kroner, NOK. That's roughly equivalent to $530 at the time of recording. So, for everyday payments between friends, colleagues, or even that neighbor who keeps forgetting to pay you back for the borrowed sugar, Vipps is a free and convenient option. The fee kicks in for larger sums. But what happens when you need to send a bigger amount? Here's where things get interesting. Vipps charges a transaction fee for transfers exceeding 5,000 Norwegian kroner. This fee is a simple 1% of the total amount being sent. So, if you're sending 10,000 Norwegian kroner, around $1,060 to your roommate for rent, you'll be charged a 100 Norwegian kroner fee on top of that. Who pays the fee? An important point to remember is that the sender, not the receiver, foots the bill for Vipps transaction fees. So, if you're splitting a hefty restaurant bill with a group and volunteer to collect the money and send it all at once, you'll be responsible for the fee, not your friends. Breaking it down, cost-effective or not? So, is Vipps a budget-friendly choice? Here's the thing, it depends. For small, everyday transactions, it's absolutely free and saves you the hassle of carrying cash or fumbling with card readers. But for larger transfers, the 1% fee can add up. Considering the alternatives, let's compare Vipps to traditional bank transfers. Traditional bank transfers in Norway can come with fixed fees, regardless of the amount. Depending on your bank, these fees might be higher or lower than the 1% Vipps charges. So, for larger transfers, it might be worth checking your bank's transfer fees before hitting that send button on Vipps. Beyond fees, the perks of Vipps. Of course, Vipps offers more than just money transfers. You can use it to pay bills, split bills with friends, with a handy split the bill function that takes care of the math for you, and even shop online at certain retailers. The convenience factor and ease of use can be a major advantage, even if there are occasional fees for larger transactions. The final verdict: Vipps for convenience, but keep an eye on fees. Ultimately, the decision of whether to use Vipps comes down to your personal needs. For small, everyday transactions, it's a free and convenient way to send and receive money. But for larger transfers, it's worth comparing Vipps fees to your bank's transfer charges. Remember, convenience often comes at a small cost. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.